I've been getting a lot of comments on how to make the viral TikTok baked spaghetti, even though I have similar recipes like this one on my channel already. So today I'll show you guys my take on it. Of course, it's going to be bomb, so keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a like, and let's jump right into it. Okay family, let's begin. All of the ingredients will be listed down below. I'm adding about 4 cups of water to a pot. Then we're going to season it with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon as well as some seasoned salt. Cover, allow that water to come to a boil. Once my water starts boiling, I am going to add the pasta. I'm going to cook the spaghetti for about 7 minutes. Once my 7 minutes is up, I am going to remove the spaghetti, drain the water so it doesn't continue to cook, and set it aside. Now, I am going to get ready to cook the ground beef. I added some olive oil to the skillet, then add my ground beef. You can also use Italian sausage. I couldn't find any at my store. Shame on you, Winn-Dixie. I'm using ground beef only. If you can find Italian sausage, go ahead and use that. I'm going to cook the ground beef until it's no longer pink, and then we are going to remove that excess water. Yeah, not good. Just pour that out. Then I am going to add in my onions as well as the minced garlic and give that a stir. Now here comes the seasoning. I'm using a lot of different spices for today's recipe. I'm using Italian seasoning, pepper flakes, seasoned salt, ground black pepper, creole seasoning, a little bit of chicken bouillon, as well as some fresh parsley. Now I'm going to add my pasta sauce. I'm using ragu. This one is tomatoes, garlic, and onion. I am going to mix that together. All right, now I'm going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Cover it, allow it to simmer. Once your 10 minutes is up, pick it up, set it aside, okay? Now moving on, we're going to make our Alfredo sauce. Not really, it's not your traditional way to make Alfredo sauce, but this is the way we're going to make it, honey. I am going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then add my minced garlic in there. Cook that for about 30 seconds or until it started to fragrance a little bit. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and then I'm going to add some cream cheese in there as well. This is about, I'll say, 4 tablespoons, and I'm also going to be adding some parmesan cheese in there, about 8 ounces. Just pour that in, mix it up together, and your heat should be on medium low heat right now. Once I notice the sauce is getting thicker, I am going to add the spaghetti in there. Now keep in mind, after you're done cooking your pasta, not to add cold water to it, because that will prevent the sauce from clinging to your pasta, so no. Okay, now I was a little bit tempted to add some mozzarella cheese to it, and I did, just a little bit. Was it necessary? Not really. but we did. Okay, so now you're going to give it a stir. As you can see, the heat is on low. Then this is ready. I grabbed my baking dish. I believe this is a 12 by 9. Oh, I don't know. Okay, whatever size baking dish you have, just use that. Okay, add your spaghetti at the bottom, then add the ground beef on top. I don't know why you don't just mix everything together, but that's how they did it. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it. Next, we're going to add lots and lots of mozzarella cheese on top. Okay. To garnish, we're going to add some dry parsley, just a little razzle dazzle. Okay, then we're going to pop this in the oven. Do not cover it, on 350 for 20 minutes. Once your 20 minutes is up, you are going to turn on your broiler just to get that golden color on top for another 5 minutes, or whenever it's nice and golden brown on top. And this is your final result, you guys. This 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Try this out. This was bomb. I'm telling you, this was bomb. And if I had that Italian sausage, it would have been 20 out of 10. But right now, this is a 10 out of 10 that you have to try it for yourself to know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's recipe. Also, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe so you can be part of the family. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.